What's good? About to jump out here with the sling blade again for a little second. I done went through this area like a couple days ago. Let's see, like blackberries. I try to leave some of the blackberries because I like picking the blackberries. But I'm gonna go a little further on out up here and probably show you a little bit. Show you a little bit before and after. All right, get a good before. And show you what it looked like after. I'm gonna try to leave some of the blackberries though. It doesn't take but a few minutes to knock it down. That's just with 2 passes. Would look a little better, but I worked around the blackberries right here. But the purpose of this is pretty much to knock down the little, saplings and sucker trees and, the overgrowth from last year because vines and stuff started coming up and you just can't get out here at all. See, after I knock it down a little bit with this, I can really just come back with a riding mower, even a push mower, and clean it all the way up.